Hey guys, it's Shamsa and welcome back to my channel. Now the recipe that I'm going to share with you today is a request that's come through from one of my lovely viewers. It's fennel seed curry, and normally in Pakistan in the villages people make this and it's known as lasan di Chhit. So let me run through what you need and then we'll make this. So the ingredients you're going to need are 1.5 tablespoons of oil. I've got 10 grams of fennel seeds, which are known as Saunf, and I've got 5 grams of ajwain, which is known as carom seeds. What I've done is I've combined both of them and put them into my coffee grinder and ground them to a powder. You'll need 2 tablespoons of that later on in the recipe. And I've got 15 grams of almonds. I've left the skin on and I've just taken 2 tablespoons of cold water and I've ground that to a paste. I've got 3 cloves of garlic which I've minced, and I've got half a teaspoon of the following ingredients: chili powder, salt, and I've got 1/4 of a teaspoon of garam masala. I've got water to hand and I've got my mug measurement. So let's start cooking. So first of all, get your pan nice and hot and add the oil straight into that and just let that heat up. And then we're going to throw the garlic in and we're going to fry this until it's just nice and golden brown, which will take about 1 to 2 minutes. So now that our garlic's done, what we're going to do is we're going to take our fennel and our carom seed powder, and we're going to take 2 tablespoons of this and add that straight in. And we're going to throw in all the spices as well. So the chili powder, the salt, and we're going to reserve the garam masala for later. And we're going to bun this now for about 2 to 3 minutes. So now that we've bunned this now, we can add the almond paste straight into that. And we're just going to cook this for about a minute. So now that that's done, we're going to take our mug measurement and we're going to take our water and we're going to add 1 cup of water into this. And a half as well. Now just bring that up to the boil and just stir it because it's obviously going to be slightly clumpy. So now that that's come up to the boil, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the lid on and I'm going to allow that to simmer away for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now we want the water that we've added to reduce by half. Now some people like this quite thin, some people like the sauce to be slightly thicker. It's all down to personal preference. I like mine in between, so not too thick and not too thin. So once it's achieved the consistency that I like it at, I'll show you. So after 15 minutes of this cooking away, I'm just going to remove the lid and just show you how it looks. And you can see that the oil has started to separate and it's come to the surface. The water that we added has reduced by more than half. And I'm just going to finish this off now by adding the garam masala straight into that. And then just giving this one final mix. And that is the consistency that you want. Now, if you wanted, you could reduce this down further to create a thicker sort of like curry, but normally the fennel seed curry is this consistency. So let me plate this up now and show you exactly how it looks. Right guys, my fennel seed curry is plated up and I'm going to try this and tell you how it is. Oh wow, oh garlicky, spicy as well, and the fennel seed, oh my god, the flavour is so amazing in this, so unique, totally different curry. Try it guys, you will love this. If you've never ever tried this curry before, do give it a shot. It only makes this bowl full, so you can't go wrong. Now I'm just going to serve this up with some paratha. I've got some here. It goes really well with paratha. It's slightly on the saltier side. Now, if you prefer to have it less saltier, you can just add less salt, but that's what it's meant to be. It's meant to be a slightly salty curry because it contrasts the fennel really nicely. So yeah. It goes really well with bread too. Oh my God. That is lovely. Ooh. Really good, guys. Give the recipe a try. I'm sure you're going to love this. If you've liked what you've seen today, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment and subscribe to my channel as well. I'd love to hear from you guys. Now, I'm going to be back again with another video very soon. Till then, take care and happy eating.